Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making a very refreshing drink, apricot lemonade. For this here I have taken fresh apricots. Fresh apricots are in season now. 3/4 cup. I have just de-seeded them and this is the pulp. 1 tablespoon of lemon drink mix. 2 cups of chilled water and juice of half lemon. Now here in the blender I will add apricots. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lemon juice. Drink mix. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now I am not adding sugar because this drink mix and apricots, they both are sweet, but still if you want you can add in sugar also. Now I will blend them. Blend this into a smooth puree. Now this is blended and this is done. Very simple, easy and refreshing. Apricot lemonade is ready to be served. Do try this recipe in this scorching heat, and if you want you can add an ice also. I have not added because my water and fruit, they were very chilled. So I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.